All right, the weak fade is one of the most frustrating shots in golf. The reason why it's weak is because you've lost acceleration through the ball. The reason why you've lost acceleration is because you're trying to guide it to make it go straight. You're sick of it fading, but the problem is, in order for you to try to hit it straight, you're actually holding on to that club a little bit too long. So what I'm going to do is share with you a half snap drill. What you're going to do is take your Saber, hold it right here at this end that says light snap. As you take your Saber back, about halfway back, you're going to create this L position. The timing mechanism has dropped into your hands, but this is very important. Watch what my lower body does as I work on the snap. As you can see, my hips have turned a little bit, but in this position, I'm not releasing my hips. I'm not turning my body. I'm only working, I'm isolating my hands and arms to create the snap. Okay? What happens with a weak fade is the opposite of this. Your body starts turning too quickly, and then your hands are kind of stiff and tight. So your body spins a little bit to the left, and then you hold on to it and you guide it through impact. So we're training the opposite. You're going to go halfway back with a little bit of a turn and snap all the way through to the halfway through position. Same thing, halfway, snap. So what that's going to do is that's going to give you the opportunity to accelerate through the ball with reckless abandon. You don't want to stop, you don't want to guide it. That's only going to reduce power and probably produce that fade that you don't really like. So to eliminate that weak fade, take your Saber and do these exercises.